Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. Today is another video and we are starting the month with fresh. That's why I left my table here with nothing. Look at it, so cute. Nothing on this table. So staff, my 100 Envelope Savings Challenge that we are doing as a family road to 20,000 by the end of the year. That's our goal. So before I get started, let me start bringing in my staff. Then we will get started. So I have my money here. This is how much we're gonna count it. Let me put it on the side. I have my cash tray. I have my pens that I'm gonna use. And I have my binders that I have it on the side here. This one is for me. So what I'll do, I'll put it here. Then I have the one for my mom. It's the 100 Envelope Savings Challenge that we are working towards to save 20,000 as a family. So my mom's son, each envelope get. So it's the 100 Envelope Savings Challenge that we are using to work towards 20,000. So keep watching. Hello, this is your girl Josy. Like I said, we're going to put money in these two binders, the 100 Envelope Savings Challenge, one for myself and one for my mom. Today is the beginning of the month and I'm super excited to start the month with as a Saturday to put money in my 100 Envelope Savings Challenge. But before we get started, let me read today's motivational message. So today, the motivational message said, invite tranquility. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I have an accent. Yes, I do. Tranquility. So when I was looking at it, I took an opportunity to look for the meaning of tranquility. I'm pronouncing it wrong. I knew it. And the meaning is the state and the quality of being calm. I was like, this is for me. I really want to be in a state of being calm in some of the stuff. There are stuff that will come on my way. There are storms. There are a lot of stuff coming on my way. But I really have to keep calm. I really have to be in a state of being calm. So when I saw this, I'm like, this month I'm going to invite tranquility in my life so that I will be calm. I really want to do this. So I just wanted to share. At times, if I don't understand, I would just leave it. I'm like, oh, this one I don't get it. But I took an opportunity to look for the meaning. So this is invite tranquility. Okay. So let me put that one on the side. I don't know if you guys can see, but let's see. Maybe we should put it here. Can you guys see it? No. You guys cannot see it. I'll bring it here. I really want you guys to see. I think you guys can see that. Let me put the binders on the side too. Then let's count the money to see how much we're going to put in this savings challenges. So we have 50, 100, 150, 200. Then I have 20, so 220. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 100. So 320. 1, 2, 330. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 340. So we're gonna put in 340 in our envelopes for both of them. Okay, so I'll start with mine. So for my 100 Envelope Savings Challenge, what we are doing is that we are multiplying the numbers. So instead of, I'll go to the current one. So instead of 41, we are doing 41 times 2, which will be 82. So at the end, instead of saving 5,050, you save about 10,000 plus. Because we are doing this to save about 20,000 at the end of the year as a family. So this one is 41. It's going to be 82. 41 times 2. So I'll do 82. Like I always said, the savings challenge can be done in a lot of ways. Anyhow you want to do it, that's fine. So that's 82. Then 42 times 2 will be 84. So that's 84. I hope everybody's doing very well. I nearly forget to ask that. Yeah, it's going crazy. But we are starting the month by inviting calmness into our life. I really have to be calm. It's not easy at all. Then 43 times 2 is going to be 80. Let's see. It's going to be 86. Then 44 times 2 is going to be 88. So this is 88. Okay, so we did 41, 42, 43, 44. Then I'll go ahead and record it on my empty tracker here, which will be $82, $84, $86, then 88. So this is how it's gonna look like. As you can see, I have the empty one. Okay, so this is how far we are for our challenge. We are hoping to finish by October. Hopefully we will. It is not nice. So this is how far we are for this one. So this is how far we are. So I'm supposed to have money for my mom, which I did budget for it. So let me go get the money for my mom. So I'll put mine on the side. Then I'll get money for my mom. So this is my mom's own. And I'll show you guys how I do my mom's. So let's get the money. Okay, so this is my mom's own. So let's count it. 20, 40. 2, 3, that's 30, so that will be 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 30. So that would be 100. And this is how I do my mom's. So for my mom's, each packet get $25. At the end of the year, we'll have 2,500. I did left my mom's money in the envelope. I thought I didn't budget for it, but I did. I always budget for both of them. So 41 get 25. I was like, where is the money? Then 42 also get 25. Then 43 also get 25. So this is another way that you can do the 100 envelope savings challenge as well. Then 44 also get 25. Okay, so this is how far we are for my mom as well. Let me go ahead and record it. Okay, so I did both of them this week. Super excited. So that's mom's and that's me. So this is how we do the 100 envelope savings challenge for me and my mom's. And for next week, I'm going to do my husband's and the kids one. So that's super exciting. We are on our way to save $20,000 by the end of the year. Normally we use it for big project, which we have a very big project coming. So this money will really help us. So thanks for watching me today. I'm super grateful to see all the new subscribers. You are welcome to my channel. Thank you. And remember, for this month, we are inviting Tranquility. Tranquility. Hopefully I pronounced it right. Tranquility. Yes. I have an accent. So thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful.